Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, seaweed tofu soup. That's not seaweed that you see there, rather the tofu itself is seaweed flavored. So many varieties of tofu here in Malaysia and Asia in general. And the first thing Knox is going to do then is to cut it up into bite-sized pieces, get it ready to go into the soup. Okay, that was easy. Take a look at all the ingredients then. Bean sprouts, garlic, cilantro with a little bit of green onion, and carrots. So the first thing, a little bit of oil in the saucepan and cook the garlic up until it's a little bit crystallized and fragrant. Then she can add her tofu and mix it all together. Knox adding a little bit of salt and also a veggie seasoning that's based on mushroom powder and also seaweed powder. Just as in the West, we would use garlic salt or onion salt. There's a lot of these kind of flavorings available in Asia. A little bit of water to combine all the flavors. A little bit of black pepper for additional flavor, and then she'll cook this up a little bit, and when it gets going, she's ready to add her veggies. The carrots first. They take a little bit more time to cook. This soup is almost done. When she adds the sprouts now, she's going to turn down the heat. You never want to overcook sprouts. Leave them crunchy. Yummy, and we're ready to go to the table. Get this one in a bowl and serve it up. Then she'll dress it with a little bit of the green onion and cilantro. This is a Thai cilantro. So some people don't like cilantro at all, almost a genetic thing, but Thai cilantro has some more mild flavor. Okay, this is ready to go into the bowl and it's ready to eat. This can be an appetizer for a whole meal, or we just sometimes eat it like this. And the seaweed, is so healthy. I think in the future, more and more people are going to be eating seaweed-based foods. Maybe in the West already know. So thanks a lot for watching. Bon appetit.